Today, we will be discussing how to install or adjust the chain on a motorized reel. Begin by removing the electrical power from the motor. Before installing a new chain, ensure the sprockets are aligned. First, loosen the bolts on the base of the bracket holding the motor. After the bolts are loosened, locate the master link on your new chain and remove it using your needle nose pliers. Set it aside. Wrap the chain around the sprockets and reinstall the chain master link. Spin the reel to ensure the chain is fully attached. To adjust the chain's tension, move the mounting bracket and motor until the desired chain tension is reached. Make sure you allow between 1/4 and 1/2 inch play in the chain. Over-tightening it will decrease your motor's lifespan and may cause the reel to bind or the chain to jump off the sprocket. Last, retighten the bolts on the mounting bracket. Now you're ready to use your motorized reel. For more how-to videos, visit Reelcraft.com.